Ever wondered if you could actually build a Sony A7 Iv from absolutely nothing? Let's find out. Step 1. Acquire a handful of stardust and the blueprints for a quantum entanglement communication device. For the autofocus signal. Next, you'll need a highly specialized, dust-free laboratory, complete with more sterile equipment than a surgical suite, and a team of PhDs who actually understand how a sensor creates light. Now, let's talk about the sensor. This isn't just a piece of silicon. It's a miracle of nanotechnology, each pixel a miniature marvel capturing photons with mind-boggling precision. You'll need to refine raw silica into a flawless wafer, and etch microscopic circuits, probably with laser beams powered by a small sun. Then comes the processing power. You need a brain, a really fast one, capable of handling gigabytes of data in milliseconds. Think about packing a supercomputer into something the size of a tic-tac. And the lenses, each element is precisely ground and coded to manipulate light in ways that would make Isaac Newton weep with joy. You'll need access to rare earth minerals and polishing techniques that make diamond cutting look like a kindergarten craft project. Don't forget the battery. We're not talking AA batteries here. This needs to be a compact power source that can fuel all this advanced tech for hours, maybe a miniature fusion reactor. Finally, after acquiring unobtainium, training a legion of hyper-intelligent squirrels, and mastering the art of molecular assembly, you'd have something that might resemble a Sony A7 IV. You could just buy one, and honestly, considering all that, it's a pretty good deal.